Hey everybody, this is Willie. How's it going? This is me just hitting some tennis balls, and this is why I didn't ride motorcycles for many years. I'm in my late 50s now, and when I was young I wanted to be a pro tennis player, and everyone said, don't ride a motorcycle, it's too dangerous, you might get injured. You won't be able to play tennis or be a pro ever. But now I'm in my late 50s, and I'm riding motorcycles, and I'm still playing tennis. This is from last October, and I was just starting to get back in shape, and then I had surgery, and I've only hit a couple of times since then, and I gotta start all over. Here's my hitting partner. He's got about a 30-year age advantage on me, but we were thinking about maybe playing pro pickleball and destroying those pickleball players sometime.